Good afternoon. My name is Garrett Sheehan. I'm President and CEO of the Greater New Haven Chamber of Commerce and Quinnipiac Chamber of Commerce. I'm really excited to be here with you to celebrate the new start of ManufactureCT and also to renew our vow to support manufacturing. This organization has a great opportunity to continue to do a lot of very good work that has occurred with NHMA. Being at the Chamber, we've been around for 226 years, and manufacturing has always been an anchor in our business community, and that's going to continue forward. Knowing Jamie, Kate, Jill, the entire board of directors, the membership of ManufactureCT, I know it's going to take the best of NHMA and just bring it to a larger scale. That's advocating on behalf of manufacturers, assisting manufacturers with best practices, networking, connecting others, and really building that workforce pipeline so that we can fill all of those jobs that we have in manufacturing and starting at the lowest levels with our local schools. I'm also president of the Connecticut Economic Development Association, and I know ManufactureCT is committed to economic growth for our entire state. We've already started working on plans to connect economic developers with manufacturers so that they know the unique needs and necessities of this business industry. I'm proud to be a board member with ManufactureCT, and really I'm excited about the partnerships that we can form, that we can continue to grow, because at the end of the day, it's all about making sure that manufacturing thrives in Connecticut. Thank you again, and congratulations on behalf of the Greater New Haven Chamber of Commerce, Quinnipiac Chamber of Commerce, and the Connecticut Economic Development Association.